way back to the shuttle right now. How long is this walk, Mom? So we got like 1.5 or 1 mile left. Oh, 0.8. Slightly over a mile. So, stay tuned. That's it for this video today. If you enjoyed, hit the thumbs up. It would mean a lot. Also, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. And I'll do a huge giveaway if we hit 200 subscribers by the end of this month. I feel like I'm telling you guys what to do. So, you do whatever you want to do. I can't control what you guys do. But it would mean a lot to me. And see you on the next video. Peace. Down,